To use an Xbox gift card on the Microsoft Store, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, make sure you have an Xbox gift card with a valid balance and a Microsoft account to sign in with. Start by going to the Microsoft Store website or opening the Microsoft Store app on your Xbox console. Sign in to your Microsoft account if you are not already signed in. Once you are signed in, click on your profile picture or gamertag at the top right corner of the page. Then select Redeem a code from the drop-down menu. Enter the 25-character gift card code in the box provided. Type it in carefully to avoid any mistakes. Make sure to include the hyphens when entering the code. After entering the code, click Next to confirm and redeem the gift card. The balance will be added to your Microsoft account and you can use it to purchase games, subscriptions, or other items from the Microsoft Store. If you are using the Microsoft Store app on your Xbox console, the process is similar. Go to the Store tab, select Redeem a code, enter the gift card code, and confirm to add the balance to your account. It is essential to keep in mind that Xbox gift cards can only be used to purchase digital items from the Microsoft Store and cannot be used to purchase physical items or Microsoft products from other retailers. Also, be aware that gift card balances cannot be transferred to another account or redeemed for cash. So make sure to use the balance before it expires. By following these steps, you can easily redeem an Xbox gift card on the Microsoft Store and start purchasing your favorite games and other digital items.